ENVB stock analysis and ENVB stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade this. Having done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years, you bet I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And with Invaric Bioscience stock, it's just like one heck of a bearish market, man. Like, it's just so bearish. It's not even that I'm going to sit here and randomly try and sell. No. It's just that for me to be really bullish, like for this to be like a good bullish market, I at least would like to see breaks above 184, right, or 117, because beforehand I was correct on the sell side, you know, got the double break, this thing came down, and now we're here. And what's the likelihood that we keep going down? Well, if you ask me, quite high. So not even gonna force no trades, just a bearish range for me. If you want to get daily stock picks, tips, and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.